Today on the Stay-at-Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make honey roasted Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts get a bad rap, but I actually love this vegetable. You can make it taste really good, and today I'm going to show you how. They're often sold loose like this or on the stalk. If they're on the stalk, you'll need to trim them off. And then they have these tough woody ends that you'll want to trim off as well. And then slice them in half. Now, you'll notice that some of the leaves fell off. That's totally okay. We can still use those. You'll want to trim and have 2 pounds of the Brussels sprouts. So once again, you just cut off that woody end and slice it in half, and don't worry about the leaves that fell off. Then transfer all of your Brussels sprout halves and their leaves to a large mixing bowl. Now with Brussels sprouts, you don't have to add a lot in order to get great flavor. So we're gonna keep things simple today and drizzle in 4 tablespoons of melted butter and 3 tablespoons of honey. Then you just wanna toss these all together until the Brussels sprouts are evenly coated. Lightly grease a baking sheet with nonstick cooking spray, and then we'll spread out our Brussels sprouts into an even layer on the baking sheet. An even layer makes for even cooking, so you want to make sure that none of the Brussels sprouts are piled on top of each other. Then we're going to season with salt as well as some black pepper. Then we're going to roast these in a 475-degree oven for about 25 minutes. Or until the Brussels sprouts are fork tender. Brussels sprouts go really well with main meat dishes, so you can try them with my easy baked pork chops, my braised beef short ribs, or even my easy baked lemon pepper chicken. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.